get, that's off, blower's off, air conditioning's good, this is on. We've got anti-collision, everything's off, closed, off, defog, in. We've got that's good and that's good, and so we will go battery on. So necesito aquí.
Maybe only in helicopter I am passenger maybe in my life 5 times.
Okay, this needs to go forward. Doors, we're going to wait. Seatbelts are good. Flight controls are good. Throttle, that's on idle. That's idle, good. Leader's closed. Brake is off. Emergency fuel shut off is on. Headsets, we'll put that on in a minute. Master audio. Tests. Audio. Great. Audio test. Fuel quantity we checked. Cast message is
150. Engine fire.
Turning. Alright, we'll go generator, position lights, and let's get back here, and let's also get our air conditioning on.
Tower, buenos dias, helicopter 5 uniform Papa.
November 5 uniform Papa, Gelabert, good morning.
Good morning, 5 uniform Papa, we're currently at 9 Foxtrot and requesting a Alpha taxiway departure.
November 5 uniform Papa, Alpha to the north, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
Alpha to the north and clear for takeoff, 5 uniform Papa.
Alright, so let's go. Throttle is going to fly. You're going to hear an alert. There it is, battery charging. Okay, shut down, wheel on ground.
Traffic.
Alright, we are clear on the right and
continúa hasta
left.
Charlie 217, Charlie.
Charlie 217,
Traffic.
Man, this thing is fun to fly.
November 5 uniform Papa, turn right.
5 uniform Papa, turn right.
Only be careful.
Yeah, I see that.
Tower, 72, good morning.
Alright, so let's go out.
Requesting
departure. Ala 72.
I prefer flying in this part for 500 feet because don't never cruise to the...
Departure time 1441, contact 1 to 1.2.
21.2, 5 uniform Papa, muchas gracias. Panama helicopter 5 uniform Papa is 1200 climbing 1500.
Number 5 uniform Papa, Panama advisory, roger, radar contact. Turn right direct to Fortificada area, Fortificada direct to Contadora, maintain auto below 2000.
Alright, direct Contadora and outer below 2000, 5 uniform Papa.
988 al altímetro, contacto radar 1984 y vamos a hacer el cruce de costa del autódromo. Gracias.
Hola Contadora, helicopter 5 uniform Papa is 10 miles to the northwest.
November 5, Contadora, go ahead.
5 uniform Papa, we are currently about 8 miles to the northwest at 1,000 feet. We're not going to be landing there. We are going to be flying in the area of Isla Chapera and Isla... ¿Cómo se llama el otro?
Gibraleón.
Isla Gibraleón for about 10 minutes.
Okay, sir.
This island is very beautiful. Sometimes I'm flying with the passenger, the people can
They
show...
get scared?
Yeah.
This island.
This one. This is very careful with many birds. Yeah.
Birds, yeah.
Birds, yeah. Oof. Many.
That's somebody's house?
Yeah.
Wow.
Private.
Only one house?
Yeah.
In the whole island?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. This is amazing. It's a beautiful
This
island.
is beautiful. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Look at the blue water.
Yeah. Continuous street here.
Panama is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's funny, the roads are terrible, but the islands are amazing.
The name, this is Playa Larga.
See,
Playa Larga.
I've been here many
Oh,
times.
yeah.
Wow, look at these beaches. Holy cow.
I show you one place.
Uh-huh.
What do you want going to family and private island?
Sure.
Yeah, I show you, but and the spot is this place. Let me show you. This is the spot. You see?
Holy cow, no way.
Yeah. This is the spot.
Yo no puedo.
This is the is Gibraleón and
No puedo, pero voy a ver.
yeah. Maybe I go to the tree. Yeah.
Correct.
The
You need
next
to cut
the
the
next
tree.
the next week, and
400.
open more. Let me. I take the picture for send the people for. But this is amazing place. But this is very small place. I could the two tree.
I don't know, bro. Yeah, you have to come straight down. This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is beautiful, man.
400.
You've been flying here for 18 years.
Cuando la marea está baja,
Uh-huh.
aquí es un soundbar.
Yeah.
Aquí. Oh, muy lindo. And I use the jet ski por todo esto por aquí. Todo por aquí.
Ah, we can land there. On the rocks. Land there, jump in the water, come back, go
Yeah,
home.
but in the rock it's bad for your float, you know, for the flotadores.
Ah.
It's very mucho cuidado porque puede romperlos.
Sí.
Yo voy a crear un helipuerto acá para que puedas traer el helicóptero, para que no aterrices en la
Sí.
arena. But do you have two spots? Private spot and the hotel
Yeah.
spot. This place is Caracoles.
Uh-huh.
Be careful with the pier. Oh, it's a beautiful place. Yeah,
Where's
really.
Caracoles?
Ah, yeah,
Ah, over there, yeah.
yeah,
Ah, that's a nice beach. There's a lot of people go there
yeah.
with the boats.
Cuando la marea está baja, it's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Hello, Panama Helicopter 5 Uniform Papa.
Member 5, Uniform Papa, Panama Radio, go ahead.
Helicopter 5 Uniform Papa is about 5 miles to the southwest of Contadora, and we'd like to come back to Gelabert.
Member 5, Uniform Papa, Roger, Squad 1246, QNH of the area 10122988, maintain VFR and contact by string 121.2.
All right, 1246 is the squawk, 1012, and contact 121.2, 5 Uniform Papa. Hello, Panama Advisory, Helicopter 5 Uniform Papa is 1,500.
5 Uniform Papa advisory to contact. Runway 01 at Gelabert Area, Altimeter 2988. Resume navigation.
Oh, navigation 2988, 5 Uniform Papa. Hello, Gelabert Tower 5 Uniform Papa.
November 5 Uniform Papa, Gelabert Tower. Good morning.
Buenos dias, 5 Uniform Papa. We are 500 feet and we are 6 miles to the southeast, requesting a echo landing, an echo arrival, and parking 9 Foxtrot.
November 5 Uniform Papa, Roger, report 2 miles out of station. Wind 13004, QNH 1012 to 988. This cockpit bird service station.
All right, we'll report 2 mile, 5 Uniform Papa. Gracias.
And the people normal. This is the heliport for the. You have this heliport, and do you have other heliport in front of the Miramar?
Uh-huh.
This is the heliport. Whatever do you need, using this heliport in Miramar.
Gelabert 5 Uniform Papa. We are 2 miles to the east, 5 Uniform Papa.
5 Uniform Papa, Roger. This moment traffic is taxiing to holding point 01. Confirm approach to Delta taxiway direct to Delta.
We can go direct Delta, 5 Uniform Papa.
Approach to Delta taxiway.
Delta taxi is in front.
Yep.
All right, Delta taxiway. Can you tell me the winds again, 5 Uniform Papa?
Wind now is 1703 knots.
Thank you.
I like this because do you have the football area?
5 uniform Papa, clear to land direct to Delta, and crossing on the runway, contact 121.7 for air taxi introduction to hangar 9 Foxtrot.
All right, clear to cross the runway, Delta landing, and we'll go over to 121.7 after the holding point. 5 uniform Papa, gracias.
This land, because do you have the many spot for wherever do you need?
400.
Ground helicopter 5 uniform Papa is on Delta, parking 9 Foxtrot.
121.
5 uniform Papa, good morning, taxi Delta 9 Foxtrot approved.
Delta 9 Foxtrot, gracias. 5 uniform Papa.
We'll clear left, clear right. Not much wind, so we don't have to worry about that. Surprised he's not telling us where to go.
Superficie del Papa 999, muy buen día.
9999, buenos días, capitán.
Ubicado en el hangar 17 Alfa, activando plan de vuelo 1 a bordo.
9999, recibido.
Good.
Viento modo 988, el altímetro 1251, área 9 Ciudad de la Torre, precaución cuando listo.
It's
Wait, so here we have okay to shut down. Yeah.
Engine out. Engine
We'll go,
out.
That's off. We'll go.
Engine out. Engine.
Do you need 30 seconds for stop the helicopter?
We're done.
No.
So now 43. Wait a second. Everything's as expected. We'll go generator off. Once this is below 38, we just take the brakes. We go like that. Take that off. That's good. Headset's going off. We can go. That's all good. Off. That's where we need to be. Good. Good. That's good. And we're going to go batteries off. And make sure that shuts off. That'll turn off in a second.
I'm flying this one.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Hey man, that was a good flight. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for the invitation.
No problem.
Invitación.
Hola, amigo.